What's up guys, it's your boy Ryan Styles here and he's back with another episode of 5 things and 10 things about things. Wait, what? So we're gonna be talking about all the things that we usually hate in Malaysia, and here's 5 things I'm gonna talk about, things that I specifically hate in Malaysia. So let's just jump right to it, guys. Let's just jump right to it. Traffic. As you all know, as you guys know, traffic can be very unpredictable sometimes. The traffic in the road, people can be raging everywhere. People can be so stupid everywhere. This is what I hate, on the traffic during the traffic light. When it hits red, people be waiting, okay? But I hate those who waiting in the first line. If I am at the first line, obviously I'm gonna put first gear and pachot just like that once the light hit green, okay? Remember that. But if I'm behind that car, if that car is in front of me in the first line, if it turns green and the fucker never move, I'm gonna be pissed. So this is what everybody's been going through, when it green is fucking car don't want to move at all. Om Shrim Garam Badiye Namaha. Okay. let's not be angry about this. Second of all, people can be very annoying, can be very busybody. Those the cars which will be beside me, or the bikers will be beside me. If I'm in the car driving, if there's a traffic light, I stopped over there. There's sure people be looking at us for no reason. Be looking at us. What? You looking at me for what? I'm digging nose, is it? You looking and enjoying me digging my nose, is it? Why? Devouring the moment, is it? What the fuck, man? I'm very pissed, but let's go for number 2, guys. Let's go for number 2, okay? Yes, it's a gangsterism. I know, guys, gangsterism is all around the world, alright? It's all around the country. Gangsterism is shit, fighting and gang and everything. But it's not safe, actually, right now. I mean, then I used to fight a lot during my school days. I was like in the gang kind of thing back then during the school days, fighting and stuff. But then ever since school, I stopped. All of the shit, I stopped, alright? Because things are getting out of hand. Like gangsterism happens, then there'll be killing, there'll be fighting, there'll be punching, there'll be kicking, there'll be gang and everything. I mean, most people say having gangsterism around is a safety. I just think that having police around is safe more than having gangsterism around. I'm not sure about that, guys. But as I can see, things I hate in Malaysia is gangsterism, because gangsterism in Malaysia it will get you out of hand. It's like really getting out of hand, fighting there and fighting here, and there'll be parang. And I don't feel safe at all. But although it's getting less nowadays, it's really getting less nowadays. So I think it's safe now, guys. It is safe. Let's just jump right number 3. Let's just jump into number 3, guys. Yes, the racism, guys. Racist. People are being so racist in Malaysia, Not everyone. I can't say everyone. I can't say 100% of them, but I only can just say 40% or 30% of them are being racist. The other half are not. During my mom and my dad's days, like during the 90s and the 80s, my mom used to tell me that back then racism is not a thing at all. Everybody's close, like Satu Malaysia, gila kau. But right now, people are being racist so bad, guys. Even previously, I asked a job in Starbucks. The counter was the Chinese people, the 2 Chinese girls. They was like, sorry, you only take Chinese people. I got so super mad, guys. I feel so insecure as an Indian. I feel so heartbroken. I mean, I don't say only Chinese do that. I mean, Malay do that. Also, Indians are being racist as well, the Chinese and the Malays. Alright, I have people around me with the Philippines, the Indians, Chinese, Malays. I have so many kind of friends, guys. The friends I'm with are not racist. It's just that when we bumped into a stranger, we bumped into another stranger, that's where they are the one who will be racist to you. But not all. Some, like I said, some. Alright, guys, let's just jump to number 4, guys. Let's just jump to number 4. I'm not sure how am I gonna say this. But for Indian, we just say this. For Indian, we say this. So plate. So, oh no, so plate is different. My bad. Madi. This is what we say, Madi. Madi is basically like prostitution area, prostitution apartment. So I'm gonna give you one story, guys. This story gonna be very sensitive for you guys, alright? It's supposed to be a joke, but this joke is a real joke. It happened in my life. It was during 2014. 2014. It happened during that day. I swear to God, guys, it really happened. I'm not joking around, guys. The story I'm about to tell you is going to be a very funny story. Alright, it is funny for me. Alright, there was this once, guys. Me and my few Facebook friends I met on Facebook. So we are quite close actually, but I'm not going to mention their names, okay? Because the story is going to be very sensitive. And you guys think it's funny, you can laugh about it. If you think it's sensitive, get the fuck away from my video. There's a lot of YouTube videos you can watch. Alright, me and my friends, we went to a hotel apartment. Alright, we went to a very small budget hotel. because we bought drinks, so you just want to sit and enjoy in the room and have some drinks, you know. But little did we know that we end up in a wrong hotel, you know. It's a very wrong hotel. So we went to a hotel. My friend asked for a room. We paid. When the moment we paid is quite expensive for a budget hotel. Me and my friends got so confused, but anyways we paid. So we paid. 3 of them went upstairs and I was alone downstairs. And there was the table, there's a desk, receptionist desk, and there was a woman behind the counter. I just asked her, you know, like, where's the washroom? Can I know where's the washroom? That's what I asked her. And this is what she replied me, you guys. You guys, so you came here to Kencing, or you came here to Panchot? What? Then 3 of my friends immediately came downstairs. Then he was like, bro, we came to the wrong hotel. I'm like, what do you mean, like, we came to the wrong hotel? So 3 of them get out from the room, and I was carrying my bag. Okay, my bag was like down on the floor in front of the receptionist table. So I was carrying my bag. Oh my god, there was a woman behind me. I mean, guys, no offense, but I support LGBTQ, I support the trans, I support the gay, lesbians and everything, okay? But this kind of people I don't support. That woman came right behind me. I'm not sure. I don't even know who's the woman. My god, wait, she pulled down her pants. Her cucumber comes out. Alright, ever since then I have trust issues to any woman I see out there. Alright, I already have trust issues. She's damn hot way, but then she pulled the pants, cucumber, katrika comes out. You know how that feels? You know what that makes me feel? I got so I want to laugh so bad at that moment, but I got so panicked at the same time. I ran out from the building already. But then when I get into the car, I laughed about it so bad, and the thing stuck in my head already at that moment. Let's go for the next one, guys. Broken roads. Walao way. So high bin male pepe ke chibai ke so high. Yes, guys, this broken roads I'm telling you. Alright, I've been to 2 places. Alright, I've been to 2 places, Rawang and Klang. Rawang and Klang, I tell you, they have the worst road. Alright, they have the holes there and holes here. The road is there, just so annoying. But nothing can beat Ipoh Peras road. Nothing can beat Ipoh Peras road. Ipoh Peras road is just so beautiful. When you start your car, when you take your car, go out on the road, the only thing you'll be enjoying is this. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy watching this video. Give the thumbs up, alright, share this video, alright, do subscribe to my channel, don't forget that. I'll have all my social link in my description. So if you guys have anything to add, like things you hate about Malaysia, things that you hate in Malaysia, you can just comment down below, guys.